Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Python on Windows 11 Complete Guide Updated. Python is one of the most popular and versatile programming languages, widely used for web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, and much more. So if you're looking to start your Python journey on Windows 11, or if you're upgrading or downgrading your Python, this detailed guide will walk you through every step of the installation process. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this tutorial will ensure a smooth installation. Now, to proceed, just head on python.org onto your local browser to get redirected here onto their website. So as you can see in here, Python is a high-level open-source programming language known for its simplicity and readability. So its extensive libraries and frameworks makes it suitable for both small-scale scripting and large-scale application. So here onto their website, you could click on Get Started to see how to learn and use Python. We also have download in here wherein you can download for all versions, documentation for Python standard library, and also if you're looking for work or have a Python related position that you're trying to hire for. Now, let's go ahead and download this first. So here onto their official website, we have downloads. If you hover over that, you should be able to see different options in here. You could download the latest version of it, but if you want or you have a specific Python version in mind, just click on all releases. You should be able to see here onto the bottom part the different Python version which are active, and if you're looking for a specific download release, we have that one here. Simply look for the version that you're looking for and then click onto it to proceed. You should be able to see also their release date for that. But for this tutorial, we're going to use the latest version of it. So we're going to click here onto this yellow button that says Download Python 3.13.1. So this is the current version or the latest version of Python 3.13.1. So it should go ahead and automatically download onto your device. You'll just have to wait for this one to be finished. Now, right after that, navigate to the folder where the Python installer is saved. So click onto that or double click onto it, and you should be able to see this kind of screen. So this is Python installer. So if you've noticed, it is showing modify setups. Should be able to see onto your end installation if this is your first time installing this version. But since it is not my first time, it will just ask me to modify this, repair, or uninstall my installation. So I'm just gonna choose repair in here to reinstall that one. But onto your end, make sure to click on install in there and check the box for add Python to path, since that is crucial for running Python from the command line. So just go ahead and install that onto your end, but you could also click onto the customize installation button for additional options if you want to go ahead and customize your installation for it. So let's just wait for the installation process to complete, and an installer will display the progress onto your end just like mine. So once done, you'll see a success message that says setup was successful. So you should be able to see something like this. So it says successful with repair on my end, but it should show installation successful onto your end once you're done. Now, to go ahead and verify Python installation, let's go and search for command prompt onto our device. So just click onto that, and then we're going to type in the following command to verify if Python is installed. So type this one onto your end and click onto enter. So you should see the Python version that is installed onto your end. So I think this one was the version that has been installed onto my end. So you should see something like this onto your end as well. But this time, since if you've chosen the latest version, then you should be able to see the latest version in here as well. Make sure as well that pip or Python's package manager is installed. So type in this line in here and click on enter, and you should be able to see pip version and its location as well. Now that Python is installed, let's create and run a simple script to ensure everything is working. So here onto our terminal, we're just gonna type in Python. So this will go ahead and open Python's PowerShell. Click on enter, and this is an indicator that it has been opened, this line in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to print hello Python on Windows 11. So type in this one, and it should go ahead and print you back the following line. Click on enter, and as you can see, we have successfully installed it since it brought back the hello Python on Windows 11 text. Right after that, with Python installed, you can use pip to manage additional libraries and packages for that. So to install a package, you could just type in pip install and then the package name. Like for example, if you want to install NumPy, just like this. And if you want to go ahead and view the installed packages into your end, just type in pip and then list and click on enter. So let's head back first to the command prompt, not in the PowerShell. Click here. Let's click on pip list, click on enter, and you should be able to see the different libraries and packages installed into your Python. If you encounter problems, here are some solutions. Like for example, if you're seeing Python not recognized as an internal or external command, ensure that Python is added to your path during installation. So if you've noticed onto your installation screen, there's add Python to path button in there that you need to check. So make sure to do that. And if pip not found, run the installer again and ensure pip is checked as well in the optional features. And if it shows permission errors, just run the installer or command prompt as an administrator. And that is just basically it, how you install Python on Windows 11. So whether you're learning to code or working on advanced project, Python is now ready for you to use. Start exploring Python's extensive libraries and build your first project. And if this tutorial was helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.